going to school with Zane in the rain. We're actually going to be early. Hey, Zane. Zane. He's not in a good mood. Here, Gary, push the carriage.
Yeah, well,
Here. Come here, Mr. Fireman. Hey, Zane. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Come here, come here. Say hi, guys. Here. He wants his chocolate milk. He's not in a good mood today. Oh my God. At least it's not snowing. But I like the rain. It cleans everything up. But it's long and tiring. Want to go run, Zane? Go run. Run. Run, 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 run. Get some of that energy out. Hey, my baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, my God. But Zane enjoys going to school. We went to see Santa Claus. And it was a virtual Santa Claus, which was kind of cool. The speakers were a little loud. Zane kept on looking to see where he was, and he didn't look at the TV. But Olivia was a little bit like, ooh, what's going on? But it was good. Yeah, shitty neighbor. And that doesn't care about the environment. All he cares about is himself. Keeps on burning firewood. He's gonna get stuck with so many tickets. He's not gonna know what he's gonna do. Hey, fireman. Where's my fireman? Oh, my little guy. Come on, precious. Hey, there we go. Mommy's here. So I'm gonna end this video and we'll be posting up other videos later. But for now, we're just taking it. No. She doesn't like shoes and she has the blanket there and the cover, so she's good. Yeah. I can't believe the prices here in St. Aura. Houses go for over $1 million. It's like, it's crazy. It's really crazy. Like right now, it's like the market is out of whack, and I can't believe like everything and that, you know. And we're talking houses that are not fixed up. And it's going for a lot. And right now it's because there's no land in Montreal. So it's more the land than anything else. This house here was asking $1,050,000 and went for over asking price. And it sold. That's why I say, if you own a property in Montreal, keep it. Because it's only gonna go up. Up, up, up. Like this house over here, it's a piece of crap, but it's worth a fortune. It's the land that it's sitting on. But like anything else, all this will be torn down eventually, and all high rises will go up in its place. It's the land that's worth more. Like, I couldn't believe on Courtrai, a house sold for $800,000 last year, and it's crazy. Like I would never pay that much money, but like I say, there's a lot of property and all that, and if developers come in and buy it up, they can put up like big high rises, like 30 stories, and make a fortune. That's why they're coming in little by little, buying it up. Anyways, I'm gonna end this blog. Zane, say bye, friends. Say bye, friends. Zane, look at Mama.